This is limited resources. Certain customers have experienced problems in terms of security in their laundry facilities, laundry rooms in commercial or residential settings. What we have provided is a window, a clear window up at the top and also at the bottom. A lot of customers, what they do is they'll mount security cameras inside the box, and so they're safe and they can remotely monitor their the usage and prevent people from trying to break into the machines. We also have inside an additional power cord. This is a 24 volt DC connection that you can use to install a security camera. So the security camera mounts up top or below in either of these windows, and it doesn't affect the rest of the machine, but it also does provide security. And there's power going to this. It's safe, certified. There's no voltage, there's shock or hazard. You simply plug this end as the power for your video camera and close up the machine and display it through these two ports, whatever you choose. It's an option. It's something that has been highly requested from customers, and we find that they're having good results with it.